Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to review how to use the Duress code on the GC Touch panel. Pretty much what the Duress code is, it is a code that will send out a panic signal. It's still going to work as a code that you can use to arm and disarm. We're going to show that it's not going to give you any indication of a panic being set off on the panel. But if you have this connected with a monitoring station, basically when you enter that Duress code, it's going to send a signal directly to them, telling them that you need assistance right away. Okay, so we have our GC Touch panel. So we are going to review the Duress code and then how to clear that alarm as well. So first things first, panel is disarmed. We show this in another video, but I'll review it here as well. There is a Duress code that's already programmed. So we'll go into user management. I'm going to enter my installer code, user management, manage users, and then it's going to be under special users. So by default, code is 2580, but you can change that if you want by pressing the little edit icon there. It'll pull up, you can change the codes, save a new code. I'm going to keep it as 2580. Now, Duress codes, this is only really... Well, it's mainly useful when you have this connected to a monitoring station. When the monitoring station receives an alert, they will dispatch the authorities if needed. The Duress code is basically like a panic feature. So let's put this into a scenario here. I'll do arm stay. We'll wait for this to arm. Okay. All right, so system is armed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disarm the system, but I'm going to use the Duress code. So 2580, enter. All right. So as we can see, the system is disarmed. There's no indication on the screen that a panic signal has been sent out. And we won't even know. It's not going to give us any notification. But what you can do is if you go into the notifications option up top, it's going to show you go into alarm. And then this is showing that the Duress alarm was triggered at this date and time, where it was triggered from, and then we have the option to clear it. So until we clear it, this is still going to be in that Duress. So clear. All right. And so final thing is that so if this is set up with a monitoring station, clearing the alarm from here is good because that's going to stop it at the panel, but you will also want to contact your monitoring station as well. Give them the all clear. So if this was done accidentally or if, dispatch is not needed, depending on where you are, dispatch can be sent before you'll even have the opportunity to call. But yeah, so besides just clearing from the panel, contact the monitoring station, make sure you clear with them as well. Okay, so that is the Duress code. As you saw, I used it to disarm the system. It didn't give us any indication on the screen that something was going wrong until we went into the notifications and the alarm history. And then just as a reminder, make sure you contact your monitoring station as well, just to let them know that everything is okay if you ever use that Duress code. If you liked the video, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you had any questions, our phone number is 888-818-7728. Our email address is support@alarmgrid.com. And if you come to our website, www.alarmgrid.com, we have a live chat feature there as well, so feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to assist you. Again, my name is Dylan from Alarm Grid, and thank you for watching.